If you have a case like this where the lower brackets are being hit by the upper teeth, then obviously this is a good candidate to add turbos. But before you can add turbos, we want to open up the bite. The way this used to work in the previous version is you kind of had to like just move down the lower jaw, then maybe tip it forward, and you were trying to simulate how that lower jaw opens. Well, now we've added an articulator, which you can see right there. Let's get it to this angle. So it's this guy right here. And you can move that wherever you want based on your patient to get it a good pivot point. So I'm going to put it right there. And then you can use the slider here to open and close quickly, but I like to be a little bit more precise. And we're just going to kind of click and hold that until there are no more brackets being hit. Got a little bit more there. So let's click it. There we go. So now we know we have the bite open just enough so that the teeth don't hit, or the upper teeth do not hit the lower brackets. And then from there you can go in and add your bite turbos.